Hello! In this video I want to show you how to export character models with animations from Blender in GLB format. We will look at this using the Apocalypse Characters pack as an example. All the other character packs are prepared in a similar way. We will first export a model that we have already prepared. Then, we will build a custom model from the available assets. Let's get started. First, we need to select the model we like. I want to export this model. Now we need to move it to the 0 coordinates, which are located here. There are two ways to do this. Select the rig and press the Alt plus G keyboard shortcut. Or open the N menu, go to Item, select the 3 axes under Location and set them to 0. Now we need to open another window. Here, we need to select Nonlinear Animation. So that all this information does not distract us, click this button. Now you can see that there are 5 rigs with animations here. These are our base rigs, which have animations assigned to them. The base skeleton for a regular character, the base skeleton for a plus-size character, the base skeleton for a pumped character, and 2 more base skeletons for dog models. The next important step is to select the correct skeleton that we will use to transfer the animations to our model. Select our rig, then select the base rig while holding Shift. Press Ctrl plus L, select Link Animation Data. As you can see, we now have another rig with animations. Expand the list. These are all the animations currently assigned to the model. By moving the slider from left to right, you can see the animation playing on the model. And by clicking on the stars, you can change the animation. Most likely, when you have a large number of models in the viewport, the animations may start to lag. For this, I recommend selecting all the current models and moving them into a new collection. Then hide the rest by clicking these checkboxes. If you do not see them, you need to enable it here in the filters. After hiding the unnecessary collections, the animations will play smoothly and without lag. If you do not need all the animations, you can simply delete them. Great, I want to keep, for example, only these animations. Next, we need to export the model. Select everything, go to File, Export, GLB. Choose the path where we want to save the file. Enable Export Selected Objects in Animation, change the setting to NLA Tracks. If you will be exporting models frequently, I recommend saving a preset. Click the plus button here and put the name. Depending on the number of animations, the export may take some time. We have exported the prepared model. Now, I suggest building a custom model from the existing assets. First, we need to decide on the body type. I suggest working with the plus-size model this time. First, select the rig. You can move it to the 0 coordinates, but I recommend leaving the base model untouched and making a copy of it. Using the keyboard shortcut Shift plus D. Open Nonlinear Animation, and as you can see, the model already has animations. Now move it to the 0 coordinates. Next, select the body. To avoid constantly moving between the assets and the area where we are assembling the model, I suggest opening another window. Here we will have our model, and here we will have the assets. I want to use this outfit. Next, we need to select the face. If you want to set up face switching, you will need several models. If we move the skeleton, the model stays in place. We need to select everything. Select it with Shift holding, then press Ctrl plus P. Select empty groups. Now, as you can see, the model follows the skeleton. And after that, we can do the familiar export. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments.